Hi, Amber and Rylan. I wanted to take some time to go over Rylan's new lesson plan that was requested per Epic administration. We've been housing his lesson plan, pacing guide, and his drive. It's still there. I just added it on in another tab. So you'll just go to Rylan's Google Drive on his Chromebook and click on that, and it should automatically pop up for you. So, like I said, I just created this new plan on a different tab. So down here was different weeks. I just put it in that first one. And my plan is to get ahead and kind of pace things out ahead of time so that you can see what the plan is. So each week goes vertically. So this week, December 2nd through December 8th, you'll see the assignments that are going to be due this week. I tried to color code it and keep it as organized as I could. So here's a little rundown. So this week, your compass, I have completely taken that off your plate. I want you to not worry about it this week. I'm going to exempt the unit that you're in right now, that is the writing, editing, planning, organizing unit. I'm going to take that out. So don't work in Compass this week. I do want you to work in Study Island quite a bit, which is why I've taken the compass off your plan. You will earn a blue ribbon in these three topics. They're in your fourth grade reading and my assignments. You'll find these topics there. I want you to try to earn a blue ribbon in each of those. That's an 80%. Then you'll do 2 different homework helps for reading. So we've done those at our in-person meeting. If you need help with those, just let me know. But you're going to log into homework help, do that on demand session, fill out that form. One time you're going to do the week 5, the planning and organizing. And then the next time you'll do the week 6, revising and editing. Make sure you do the practice on those so that you're meeting the requirements for both homework help and Study Island. So just make sure, because there's an assessment and a practice for each topic, just do the practice. Excel, you've been working in that already. You're just going to be do the diagnostic test for 30 minutes Monday. So it will pull up more recommendations for you. And then by the end of the week, just pick 2 of those recommendations for reading and earn a 100 SMART score on those, or close to 100. Accelerated Reader is not something that we've really worked on much, but I can help you if you need it. You can find the login information for Accelerated Reader on your login information page in your Google Drive. You may have worked on this when you were at SkyTuke, but it's the same concept. Just read 20 minutes daily. Every time you get finished reading a book, go into Accelerated Reader and take a quiz. You can do it in picture books, chapter books, whatever. Your goal is to get 8 points by the end of the 9 weeks. So that's January 22nd. So all of that will be your reading grade. So I won't just be pulling your reading grade from Compass anymore. We're going to have to look at all these other things as well. And now for math. So this Excel does scroll, so you have to kind of scroll to the side to get to everything. So for math this week, you are in Compass. You're going to be working on these multi-step word problems lessons, and I tried to type it out the best I could there so that you know everything you need to do. Then you'll do a homework help booster for math as well, just one, the week 4 one. Study Island, you're going to do the multi-step problems. You'll try to get a blue ribbon in that topic. It'll be in the 4th grade math. And then I did get your Studies Weekly online version up and running. So I put your login information for that on your login information page as well. And then your paper copies of Studies Weekly is coming. It's on its way. So hopefully I'll get it this week. But you can go ahead and start working in the online version. And you just click on the science and then it'll show you all the different weeks. So just to get you caught up, we're going to do 2 a week until we get caught up. So you'll do week 1 and week 2 in science and week 1 and week 2 for social studies. And that is all that you'll be doing this week in all your different topics. Hopefully that makes sense. And then this vertical row will be next week. This vertical row will be the next week, and then the next 2 weeks should be Christmas break. So if you get all of these things done up here, then you get 2 weeks off for Christmas break. If not, of course, you're gonna have to go back and try to get things caught up. And then hopefully I'll be getting the next 9 weeks sorted out for you soon. Let me know if you have any questions. And we can schedule a face-to-face meeting or an online meeting, whatever we need to do.